In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce image flickering using DaVinci Resolve with two effective methods. This tutorial will take you through each step, ensuring that you can eliminate that pesky flicker from your videos efficiently. First, you need to open DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't already installed this powerful editing software, make sure to download it from the Blackmagic Design website. Once you're in, select the project you'd like to work on. This will bring up all your video files ready for editing. Now you'll want to navigate to the color page. The color page is a core component of DaVinci Resolve, offering an extensive suite of tools that allow you to adjust the colors and visual quality of your video to give it a professional touch. Within the color page, you're going to focus on resolving the flickering issue through motion effects. Look for the motion effects section and click on it. In this area, you'll find tools designed to enhance the smoothness and clarity of your footage. These are particularly useful for dealing with any sort of visual disturbances, like flicker, that can be distracting to your viewers. Next, you're going to use temporal noise reduction, which is found within motion effects. This tool helps to minimize noise captured in your shots, which often contributes to flickering. By reducing noise, your footage will appear smoother and much cleaner. It's an essential feature when dealing with less than perfect lighting conditions during shooting. Once you've clicked on temporal noise reduction, you'll notice that you have the option to set frames. Here, you'll adapt the frame range to between 3 and 5. This selection determines how many frames are analyzed by the software to average out and reduce noise. Lower frame settings will give you faster processing but might not tackle more severe flicker effectively. Experiment with frames set between 3 and 5 for an optimal balance between smoothing and processing time. These steps should help you tackle image flickering for a cleaner, more professional look in your videos. DaVinci Resolve's powerful processing capabilities provide you with the tools necessary to elevate your footage quality. Don't forget to play around with these settings, as adjusting them based on your specific footage can yield even better results. With some practice, you'll definitely get the hang of it and be able to confidently clean up those flickering issues. And that wraps up today's lesson on reducing image flickering using DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now better equipped to tackle those annoying video glitches. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on video editing.